Morning.
Good morning, everybody. Well, if you slept in this morning, you missed the sweet snowstorm we had. So I'm assuming we went right through summer break and we're right back into school. Today we're going to be covering surface area of a rectangle. It's going to find all sides and what they equal to on the inside. So the formula is surface area SA equals 2 times L times H plus 2 times L times W plus 2 times H times W. So your formula you're going to want to write down and remember is 2LH plus 2LW plus 2HW. Okay, all we're going to do is take the numbers that we're given and fill them in for all the variables. So we have 2 times the length would be 9 times the height, which is 13, plus 2 times the length, which is 9 again, times 7, which would be the width, and then plus 2 times the height times the width. So when we're doing these, you want to make sure you multiply these, and then you're going to add that chunk together. You're going to move on to the next step and to the next step, and when you get them all, you add them all together, and you'll come up with the answer. So we just replaced all the variables with the numbers. So we have 2 times 9 times 13 plus 2 times 9 plus 7 plus 2 times 13 times 7. When you multiply these together, you should come up with 234 plus 126 plus 182. Add those all together and you should come up with 502 inches squared. Alright, if you want to pause the video right now and you want to try to work ahead and make sure you understand what we're doing, we're going to keep moving. So our formula we're going to use is the same thing. 2 times L times H plus 2 times L times W plus 2 times H times W. So we're going to start out with 2 times 10 times 6 plus 2 times the length, again, is 10 times the height is 3 plus 2 times the height times the width. Alright, so we're going to multiply these all together. So we have 2 times 10 is 20. 6 times 20 is 120. Plus 2 times 10 is 20 again. Times 3 is 60. Plus 2 times 6 is 12. Times 3 is 36. So we're going to add all of these together. So we have 120 plus 60 will give you 180. 180 plus 36 will give you 216 meters squared. And that would be your answer. Again, surface area of a rectangle. Make sure you write down the formula if you need to. And you can use that for your homework and you'll fly right through it. Again, have a great weekend. Hopefully it don't snow again because that was just horrible to see this morning. And the 49ers, still the best team in the NFL.